Hi, Tom Hughes here, and check out this improvement from my friend Declan McKeever at SDC Trailers.
Hello everyone, a great improvement this week here over in Sheldon's body shop. So as you can see here, there is no flow in this area, so anytime you're in this shed you have to walk outside to go into the store. So thanks to Neil for an improvement here for us and reducing a lot of non-value by creating a new opening in the shed. So as you can see here, we have a time study of the old way and the new way to show the difference in going from one shed to the other. This will now improve production flow, because you can go into the store and get the part you need without having to go outside into the rain, and you also don't have to bang your elbow or the part off the door on the way in, because you're always carrying components in through this wee door. So roughly taking 35 seconds to get into this shed. And then with the improvement now of having an opening in the side of the wall here, we are able to walk straight into the shed. We also, on our new stillages, wheel them in and out of this shed to the dry storage without having to go outside and getting the component wet. So that's going to improve a lot of production. Cheers, thank you.